Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Khan Academy app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Khan Academy app, start by unlocking your device. Locate the app store specific to your operating system. For iOS devices, open the App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Khan Academy. Tap on the search icon to initiate the search. Once the results appear, find the official Khan Academy app. It should feature the Khan Academy logo. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app description to ensure it's the official version. If you're using an iOS device, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. Your device may prompt you for your Apple ID or Google account information. Enter the required information if prompted. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the app. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to start using the Khan Academy app. Follow any on-screen prompts to set up your account. Enjoy exploring learning resources and subjects available on Khan Academy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.